Hey guys, so here's part 3 of the chapter 7 extension notes. Once again, we are trying to find the area of a triangle using trig. Okay, let's look at this. So a landscape designer is designing a flower garden for a triangular area that is bounded on two sides by the client's house and driveway. The length of the edges of the garden along the house and driveway are 18 feet and 8 feet, respectively. And the edges come together at an angle of 80 degrees. Here, we actually have to draw a diagram and then find the area of the garden to the nearest square foot, okay? So on the last two problems, they gave us basically pictures, and we could just use the pictures to plug in the numbers into our formula. Here, we actually have to draw the picture first, then we can do find the area. Okay, so if you have any of these on your homework, make sure you draw, it definitely says hint, make sure you draw a picture. Okay, so we need to create a triangle. Now, we need to kind of use the information they give to us to draw this triangle, okay? So the garden is triangular, so of course we're going to draw a triangle. And it's bounded on two sides by the client's house and driveway. So the length of the edges of the garden along the house and driveway are 18 feet and 8 feet. Okay, so let's say we have basically here, let's just say that is the house bounded by the house, and then here is bounded by the driveway. And then of course we got to finish off this triangle with the third side, okay? So the length of the edges of the garden along the house and driveway. So as I said before, let's make this the house. So it says the house is going to be, let's just say 18 feet, because that was first with the house. And then the driveway, remember we're talking about it's being bounded, okay? So that means it's surrounding it. This is going to be 8 feet. And then the edges of these come together at an angle. So if we look at where the house and the driveway meet, that angle is going to be 80 degrees. Okay, so from here, we're going to go ahead and use these values then to use our formula. So now, after we've done that, let's use our formula to find the area. So we have A equals 1/2 A times B sine of theta. Okay, remember A is our base. So if we look at the bottom of our triangle, 8 is our base here. And that means the 18 is the other side. So we have 1/2 times our 8. Then we have B, which is going to be 18. And then sine. So let's see, what is our angle? Well, the only angle they gave to us is the 80 degrees. So that's going to be sine of 80. Okay, so now we plug this into our calculator to get our answer. Now notice what it tells us to round to the nearest square foot. Okay, so that means we have to round to a whole number here. So I do parentheses, 1 divided by 2 to represent the half, another parentheses to represent 8, another parentheses to represent 18, and then I do sine, and in this case of 80. And then I press enter. So we have 70.9. If we want to round, notice the 0.9, we got to round up. So to the nearest square foot, we're going to round up to 71. So our final answer here is going to be 71. We are using feet as our unit, so I'm going to have feet and then squared. Okay, so make sure you work on the homework assignment. Don't forget, make sure you just use this formula. So 1/2 A times B times sine of theta. Basically what this is saying is A is one of your sides, so you multiply the other side, multiply that by 1/2, and then sine, and then your theta, that weird little symbol there, that's your angle measurement they give to you, okay? If you have any questions, don't forget to contact me. See you guys later.